Hello. This video is to introduce the admin for fw8. I'm going to log in first. When you first log into fw8 admin, you're actually taken to whichever application that you're set up to view. In this case, the application is called fw8 Event Demo. The dashboard shows you all the installed components that you have access to with the roles that are assigned to you. I'm actually logged in as an Uber user, and I have access to all the components that are made up, that are installed actually to run a CMS. So I'm having all the components that are required for a CMS. The layout of the admin stays the same throughout the use, which means you only need to learn how to use it in a couple of components, and then you're pretty comfortable throughout the rest of them. So it's split up into three main panels: the left, the right, and the middle. On the left, we permanently have a tree and a search tab. The search will actually search throughout the whole CMS, so the whole framework. So here we found the welcome page and another welcome assay here. The tree will actually show you, at the moment its root is the application, so it's showing all the installed modules. The center area will change a lot depending on what you're looking at. It's very contextual. The right area, you'll have properties and versions. This may change depending on what kind of asset you're looking at. It may be a non-visual asset, so you might have the properties in the middle. So that's the general layout. It is possible to customize this to your own taste. For example, I can drag versions over into the right-hand tree there, and there's a few other tabs available. You'll have varying tabs available depending on what kind of object you're looking at. I can drag tagging up there, and that becomes tagging there. And that will obviously remember, for me, that configuration. So just to have a quick preview, and then we'll finish up just on this overview of the CMS interface. I'm just going to click through to the website. Each component actually has a dashboard. The website will actually display a page. In this case, we've only got one page in the branch that we're looking at, so I'm actually going to switch branch. We'll talk about branching later on, but I'm going to switch to the live site, which now shows me all the pages that we've currently got set up in this demo with nice little thumbnails of the pages, which you can actually have a little look at as you scroll through. And you notice the tree has limited itself down to the website component and is displaying the pages. So if I do, let's say, click on the welcome page. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm just going to the other feature about the left-hand panel is you can collapse it down if you've got limited screen space. So one great feature about the CMS component is you do see the site as you would see it. I mean, it is identical. You can even navigate around using the site navigation. And as you can see, it's all staying consistent. We've got properties on the left, tagging, which I dragged up earlier. Now, if I navigate to the home page, you'll see the properties are extended as well here. So yes, this is the layout, and we'll be doing more videos on editing content pages, templates, and customizing the CMS. Thank you.